This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of heating and HVAC testing equipment, biggest selection and best pricing on the internet, create a free login to see best pricing once logged in. Link in description below. Bread that I got from the bakery, I just soak it in water. I drained all the water out of it, but I got a couple of buckets here. I usually give them regular bread, but if I get cornbread, they're out of regular bread, I'll soak it in water. You know, and it's all soft now, so I don't know if you can see, but I want to try to get you guys some shots. I'm feeding the chickens. They'll eat this stuff right up. It's like a snack. You can see all the chickens are all hanging out in the shade here. All the way down, both coops. These guys have got shade over on this side. I got some more guys in the back coop here. They're getting big. And basically, I'm raising some for some of the guys that, give me the food scraps. They wanted some chickens. I'm raising some. Raised them from chicks. They're getting big. I'm gonna keep a couple myself, but look how big they are. Guys are getting so big. They're over here hanging out in the shade. I was cleaning out their things. Sometimes they'll shit in there, you know. Clean all that out, make it nice. They haven't started laying eggs yet, but they're back here in the big coop. What I had to do is I had to reinforce these bars. I put bars every 5 feet, and I had to reinforce all these bars here because when the winter came, I got a lot of snow, and this part fell down last year, so I had to reinforce it. I put bars every 5 feet because I had them every 10 feet, and it was just like way too much snow load up here. I love the grass. Look at this guy. He ain't got much for feathers. Someone's beating you up bad, man. Must be the rooster. That's 2 Pump Chump Jr.